I'm going to show you how to make this $12 manicure look like $100. I use my favorite products, Color Street nail polish strips, and this little kit I found on Amazon, which has been the best press-on nails. You get the light, the glue, and 200 press-ons, plus some extras for only $15. After I trim my nails down, I'm going to grab my prep pad from my Color Street strips, and I'm just going to do a little alcohol swab on here just to make sure the glue has the best chance to adhere, but I'm telling you, this stuff is not going to budge. I'm going to slow it down right here because the step's really important, and if you don't do it right, you're not going to get the maximum hold. This is a gel glue. It will not dry until you put it under the light, so make sure you take your time and do it right here. You want to put on a thick, even coat of glue all the way over your entire nail. Then you're going to take another small layer and just do a really thin coat on the actual tip itself, like so. Then I'm going to gently align it to my cuticle, and I'm going to slowly press down to the edge, and you're going to see it seal with no bubbles. Really important here, no bubbles. If you get bubbles, just lift and press until you see that there is no bubbles, and don't press too hard because you don't want the glue to spill out. But it takes just a few minutes to get these on, and these bad boys are not going anywhere. They are strong. I get the long set instead of the long and short because you can trim these down super easily, and you might have a special occasion where you want the nails a little bit longer, so just go ahead and get the long kit and you can trim them and shape them. You can even wear them long for a couple days and then trim them down later. They won't budge. Now I'm easily applying my 100% nail polish strips on top by Color Street. You can change these out using a non-acetone nail polish remover. If you have a party and you want to do something fancy and then you want to change it up in a couple days, you can totally do that without messing up the press-on, which is pretty cool. And I chose a French tip because I like a little length on my nails when I do a French tip. And I chose this set, which is from my subscription box. And just to make it look like truly a $100 mani, we're going to add a couple charms because, that's extra. instant-grace.com for Color Street and the press-on.